The mass of a high school to Olympic shot puts for women is 4 kilograms, which translates to 8.8 pounds. In connection to this, the only force that is acting upon the shot put is gravity pulling it down. Because of this, you can figure out that Fg equals negative 39.2 newtons, which also makes the normal force 39.2 newtons. These forces are in the y direction. In order to calculate the forces in the x direction, you need to know how fast someone is going when they are throwing. It is known that the positive x force is going to be larger than the force of friction because you are moving in the positive direction. They are different from normal sneakers because they are flat on the bottom and they don't have grooves like running sneakers. Throwers wear these shoes because it helps when the thrower glides. A glide is when the thrower starts in the back of the circle and pushes back in order to gain more momentum in order to gain more speed. Throwers wear these flat throwing shoes because since they are flat on the bottom, it reduces friction between the circle and your feet, allowing the thrower to move faster through the circle.
Fight the love you have inside. Don't run away from your love. Don't turn away from the heart of the groove, from the way that we move.
When a thrower throws, physics is involved in the punch aspect and where you release the shot put. The optimal angle to throw a shot put is around 45 degrees. Because people are different heights, the best way to determine this angle is to put your arm extended and up around 2 inches above your head. 45 degrees is the optimal angle to release the shot put because you're able to get the horizontal distance because you are pushing out, but also you are releasing the shot put higher than your head, allowing you to get the vertical component of the throw. Because of these two factors that come from the 45-degree release, you can get the furthest range and the shot will travel in a parabola. This is an example of an angled arch as well. When a thrower glides or spins, it is a way for the thrower to get through the 7-foot circle with increasing speed. Because a thrower is trying to speed up through the glide or the spin, the fastest part is at the end of the glide or the spin when you are in the punch, trying to throw the shot put. As the thrower is going through the circle, they are accelerating. When the thrower gets to the punch part and after the punch, you have to stop in order for a thrower not to foul. The thrower is accelerating in the opposite direction of motion. So there is a toe board in front of the circle and it is a way to help the thrower to stop under control. Since you have to essentially stop short, it is a barrier that helps you stop. Shot put, Newton's third law of motion is a key component. The law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. When a shot put is thrown, the thrower exerts a force that is equal to the force that the shot put exerts on the thrower. The only reason why the shot put moves is because the mass of the shot put is much less than the mass of the thrower.